And a good morning to you. I'm Ruben Ramirez at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. Well, we're about midway through the trading day in Europe. Let's get an update from the deal's Laura Board, who's in London. Laura?
Morning, Ruben, and Happy New Year from an uncharacteristically dry London. Our market's down a bit. We've had mixed manufacturing data from market economics, painting a picture of an unexpected decline in output in the UK, but a more positive than expected picture in Italy. China, meanwhile, indications suggest the economic growth is slowing in December. Corporate news now, Fiat is the big bright spot of the day. Stock up more than 12% after it struck a 4.4 billion peace deal with the UAW Labour Union and an affiliated healthcare trust. This will allow Fiat to buy out the whole of Chrysler. It preempts an IPO and very cleverly built into the prices the fact that 1.9 billion of the 4.4 billion deal is coming from Chrysler itself. Fiat up sharply on this news. The deal is perceived to substantially bolster its position in the US and will allow it to more easily wrest synergies from its affiliate. In the defense sector and the aerospace sector, Finmeccanica down a little in Milan after its Agusta Westland unit in the UK has apparently lost a large Indian order. This is an order for 12 high-end jets struck back in 2010, but the Indian government announced yesterday it was no longer going ahead with the 770 million odd agreement because of corruption concerns. Over in London, the retailer Debenhams has regained ground lost earlier when it announced that Chief Financial Officer Simon Herricks will leave. Simon Herricks is taking the blame for an expected sharp fall in first half profit, which pushed the stock down substantially on Tuesday. Herricks has perhaps unfairly been blamed for Debenhams' attempt to impose a pre-Christmas discount on suppliers. A letter begging them for concessions backfired when it was leaked to the press and had investors and analysts worrying about what exactly was going on in Debenhams' variety stores up and down the countries. It turns out the sales picture was indeed not good. Herricks is going with immediate effect. Stock stabilized after earlier losses. Back to you, Ruben.
Thanks, Laura. Well, that was the deal's Laura Board in London. In New York, I'm Ruben Ramirez. Thanks for joining us.